Hi there, welcome to Wicked Social, where we teach you digital marketing for your small business. My name is Cassidy Riendo, and I'm the founder of the marketing agency Wicked Social. Today I'm going to show you how UTM codes can supercharge your marketing efforts. So what exactly are UTM codes and why should you care? Let's break it down. UTM codes are similar to trackers that you attach to your URL strings. They can help you understand where your website traffic is coming from and how people are interacting with your content. Let's say you're running multiple campaigns across different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and email newsletters. Without UTM codes, you will not be able to accurately pull in interaction data, for example, into your Google Analytics or your GA4 account. You have no idea which campaigns are driving the most traffic and conversions, and therefore cannot make data-informed decisions for your business. But with UTM codes, you can track the performance of each campaign with precision. By adding parameters like source, medium, and campaign name to your URLs, you'll know exactly where your visitors are coming from. Armed with this data, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your marketing budget and which strategies are delivering the best results. Plus, UTM codes are super easy to set up and implement. It's just a matter of adding a few extra characters to your URLs. Simple, right? Now that you know the why behind UTM codes, let's show you exactly how to create these. First, we're going to be using a free UTM builder available online. I use the Google one, and I'll link this version in our YouTube video for you below in case you wanted to use this one as well. The fields you want to focus on are website URL, campaign source, campaign medium, and campaign name. For today's example, I'm going to pretend that I'm creating a UTM code for an email blast through my agency Wicked Social this month. Some other examples could include a Google My Business post, a Facebook post, a paid media campaign, etc. So step 1, I'm going to paste the final or the end URL string I want a customer to drive to when they click or they interact with my asset. For example, if I want a customer to drive to our website design landing page on our website, I would just paste it right here. Step 2, input your source. This is telling you who is responsible for the traffic. In this case, I would put Wicked Social. If you are an independent business owner, you may want to input XYZ marketing tactics or something along that line. Step 3, medium. This is the asset to which you're using this UTM code in. This could be email, Google Business Profile, Facebook, etc. So this is the type of marketing asset that you're going to use this string for. And then lastly, you'll want to name this campaign. The way I use this campaign name is to clarify which month and year that I'm doing this particular marketing strategy. However, you could really include any indicator here. So another example might be website design campaign or XYZ strategy. Scroll down and boom, your final URL is automatically generated right here. And it's going to look longer than your original URL. And then you can just easily copy and use this full marketing link in your marketing. If you use Google Analytics, these source and mediums are going to automatically pull into your profile and allow you to clearly identify what the traffic actually looks like from this campaign or this asset that you created. So that is a very, very high level breakdown of why to use a UTM code, how to create one, and how to utilize the code in your Google Analytics or your GA4 account. So please comment with any additional questions that you have, and please subscribe to our Wicked Social channel to learn more and stay up to date. Thank you so much.